Keep watching this video to see my 5 tips on buying a second home. Number 1, find an agent that works in and is knowledgeable about the area you want to buy your second home. They know the local market better. They can tell you which homes are located in certain areas, what kind of traffic you'll face, what amenities you'll have, and so on. On top of this, they'll be licensed in the state you're buying real estate. They'll have working knowledge of local laws and understand the procedure better than an out-of-state agent. Second, 85% of buyers search online before ever seeing a place in person. But we all know pictures can exaggerate a bit. So you'll want to focus on those listings with video tours. Whether you get one in person via FaceTime, Skype, or Zoom, or the agent has a video tour, take the time to watch them and see for yourself just what it's like to experience the lifestyle. These are huge time savers and they let you easily see if the house is right for you. If you can do it live, that's even better and gives you a better chance of sharing your feedback in real time. Third, depending on where you're moving from, the cost of living could be higher or lower in your destination city. It's always a good idea to know how much it costs to live in a new area. Taxes might be different. In Utah, for example, taxes are lower than those in California and New York. Before you commit to living in the area, understand all of the costs associated. Fourth, before you buy, it's always recommended to see the home in person. You are more than likely going to have to plan a trip specifically for the purpose of looking at properties. So plan your time efficiently. Make sure you line up your favorite houses and schedule back-to-back showings with your agent. And 5, do your homework and get your finances in place before you go through all this effort. Buying a second home is not quite as straightforward as buying a primary residence. So be sure to speak with your lender and financial advisor to make sure the transaction is structured correctly. And before you leave, please do me 3 favors. First, subscribe to the channel. Second, like the video. And third, share it with someone who might find it helpful.